In 2021, a new stealthy multi-role fighter was revealed in Russia. It was developed by Sukhoi Design Bureau. Development of the new Russian fighter was kept in high secrecy. Designation of the new fighter is unknown. It is being referred as the Project Checkmate. In the future it should receive a regular Su designation. The new fighter has a single engine and is much smaller than the Su-75. Overall, it resembles the US F-35A multi-role fighter. At the moment, the new fighter is in the form of pre-production prototype. Its testing will begin in the nearest future. So at the moment it is not ready for production. It could take around 10 years while the new fighter will enter operational service with the Russian military. Once in service, it could become a replacement for the MiG-29. It is planned that the new Russian stealthy fighter will be offered on the export market. Essentially, it is an advanced fourth-generation fighter. Russia still lags behind in development, acquisition and employment of some of the latest technologies. Developers emphasize on low unit cost, low servicing costs of this aircraft and low flight hour cost. It was announced that this aircraft could be offered at a price of 1/3 of the US F-35. This aircraft has reduced radar cross-section. Weapons are stored in internal weapon bays in order to reduce radar cross-section and improve aerodynamics. The Project Checkmate is definitely less visible to radars than the Russia's MiG-29 or Su-27 series fighters. This aircraft uses a modern active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar. It can be used to engage up to 6 air targets simultaneously. The new Russia's fighter has both air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. It can carry up to 7,400 kilograms of ordnance on internal and external hardpoints. That's enormous amount of weapons for a small stealthy fighter. Weapons include RVVSD medium-range air-to-air missiles, RVVMD short-range air-to-air missiles, KH-38MLE laser-guided air-to-surface missiles, KH-38MTE air-to-surface missiles with thermal imaging guidance, KH-58 USHKE anti-radiation missiles, Grom-E-1 short-range air-launched cruise missiles, FAB-250M free-fall bombs, KAB-250 LGE laser-guided bombs. It can also carry pods with S-8 and S-13 unguided rockets, or pods with cannons. Once configured for air superiority role, the new fighter can carry up to 5 air-to-air missiles in stealth configuration. This warplane will be equipped what is claimed to be a new engine, which is more advanced and more fuel efficient. It has been reported that the engine has thrust vectoring. Claimed maximum speed as 1.8 Mach, 2,222 km per hour. Range is up to 2,800 km. For extended ranger, the fighter can carry external fuel tanks. Interestingly, the aircraft has an auxiliary power unit, which powers electrical systems. Development of the Su-57 stealthy multi-role fighter was partially funded by India. India planned to acquire up to 250 of these new stealthy fighters, known as the HALF-GFA. It was planned that Indian version will be different from the Russian Su-57. Some sources suggested that the HALF-GFA will have a twin-seat configuration. However, in 2018 India pulled out of the project. It was announced that the fighter proposed to India did not meet its requirements for stealth, combat avionics, radars and sensors. My guess is that the Project Checkmate, but not the Su-57, was the stealthy fighter offered for India.